reads 1. 1964 Buick Skylark parts car or restore, $500, Lakewood. This 1964 Buick Skylark four-door sedan is a classic project car, priced at $500. It features a 300 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. The car was running when parked and comes with a replacement back glass. It requires towing or trailering and includes an affidavit in lieu of title for ownership transfer. Two, 1964 Buick LeSabre, $750, Lakewood. A 1964 Buick LeSabre four-door sedan priced at $750, featuring a Buick 300 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, and power brakes. The odometer reads 59,876 miles. It has been sitting for some time and has a broken rear passenger window. The car has surface rust, but the patina makes it a great candidate for restoration or use as a parts car. The sale includes an affidavit in lieu of title. 3. 1979 GMC K15 Sierra Classic, $3,500, Edmonds. This 1979 GMC K15 Sierra Classic is a 4x4 pickup priced at $3,500. It features a 400 small block V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 33 by 12.15 all-terrain tires on Blazer alloy wheels. Recent maintenance includes new distributor, plugs and wires, front brakes, rotors, fuel pump, and rear wheel cylinders. It runs and drives well with some typical square body rust. Four, 1976 Chevrolet Stepside, $5,300, Vernon. A 1976 Chevrolet Stepside priced at $5,300, featuring a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and brand new wheels and tires. The truck runs and drives and is perfect for someone ready to finish the restoration. A rare Stepside truck with lots of potential. F5 1975 Dodge Dart Swinger, $4,900, Kent. This 1975 Dodge Dart Swinger is a highly original classic, priced at $4,900. It features a 2.25 slant 6 engine, automatic column shifter, bench seats, and rally wheels with BF Goodrich radial TAs. The car runs great and is ready to drive while being restored. Typical rust is present, but the car offers excellent value. Six, 1976 Ford F-150, $6,200, Lafayette Orinda Maragasha. A 1976 Ford F-150 with original Bay Area roots, priced at $6,200. It features a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission, 104,832 original miles, and a solid rust-free body. It's a reliable daily driver with recent upgrades, including a new master cylinder, brake cylinders, tires, and an airbag system, not yet installed. Minor cosmetic work is needed, but it's mechanically sound and ready to drive. 1980 Chevy Silverado 3/4 ton, $6,900 Sioux City. This 1980 Chevy Silverado C20 is a 3/4 ton pickup, priced at $6,900. It comes with a 350 small block engine, automatic transmission, and 2 working gas tanks. Recent work includes new brakes, brake lines, a water pump, and an alternator. Registered, smog passed, and ready to hit the road. A 1963 Chevrolet Impala, $6,500, Petaluma. A 1963 Chevrolet Impala 4-door hardtop, priced at $6,500. It features an original 283 V8 engine with good power, an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and electric seats. The car runs but needs restoration. Owned for 13 years and garaged, it has minimal rust except for the passenger rocker panel. A solid restoration candidate with significant potential. A 1975 Olds Hearst W30 Restorable, $5,000, San Jose. This 1975 Oldsmobile Hearst Cutlass W30 is a project car, priced at $5,000. It features a 455 V8 twin-turbo engine that turns over but doesn't run. The body is in fair shape, though the T-tops, front seats, and some trim pieces are missing. Clean paperwork and smog-exempt status make it an excellent restoration opportunity. A 1971 Buick Skylark 4-door hardtop, $6,190. This 1971 Buick Skylark is a rare 4-door hardtop, priced at $6,190. It features a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and ice-cold air conditioning. The car has been a reliable daily driver, covering over 25,000 miles in the last few years. It needs minor interior updates and some exterior work, but it's mechanically sound and ready to drive.
You.
A 1962 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, a 1962 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, priced at $5,500. This classic off-roader features a 3.9-liter engine, a 3-speed manual transmission, and a lifted suspension with 70s axles. The car has many new parts, including a brake system, power steering, and Bilstein shocks. It runs well but requires alignment and some repairs to the transfer case and axle locker. A great restoration or trail vehicle.